Mobility is very important to me. That's why I use eTrade Mobile. It's on all my mobile devices, so it suits my mobile lifestyle. And it keeps my investments fully mobile, even when I'm on the move.
Hey guys, it's Jeremy
and Shai,
and we're going to give you an update on the LGO edgeFund. So the high-level update starts with the average year-over-year market gain. So if you're investing in the stock market, you are going to assume to make 7% year-over-year. Petrowski came in and showed that his model can actually make you 23% gain year-over-year. So what did we learn about this model in the last week? There's a couple of critical investment assumptions that he made, including he's going to buy and hold it for a year. Every stock that he buys, he holds for a year. Next up, the critical details matter. Those different pieces that actually go into the Petrowski data have some individual definitions that we've investigated and understand more further. So third, the data collection isn't that easy. CompuStat is not this easy, simple tool. Although Piotrowski used it for developing his information, it hasn't been perfect.
Okay, architecture in a large view, what we're doing now. First of all, regarding the user interface, we want to make it easy to use and easy to understand. We're currently using a few stuff that we've seen in class, and we're looking to develop that further. In the database, we have over 5,200 companies over 10 years. These are just some examples of the columns that we have, very high overview. And the analysis, basically, we broke that into three parts. The first part, we're using Piotrowski's original method, trying to replicate his results. Second part, we're actually deferring from his model. We're trying different holding periods where he used only year-by-year holding period. We'll try to use different durations, as well as we want to see the delta in the F-score. How does the change in F-score actually affect the results? And additionally, where Piotrowski used only a linear regression, we're going to use simulations and clustering, and that is based on the S&P 500 as a baseline.
Okay, next up, we've actually made some advances in code, but really we've been focusing on defining the scope more than actually writing the code at this point. We know we want to start with the basic linear regression algorithm that we used in class, the clustering algorithm, and also combine some of the visualization techniques that we previously alluded to.
So the risk updates, first of all, will we actually be able to reproduce the results that Piotrowski did? And second of all, the concern is that we will actually be able to visualize the data and the information in an understandable way.
Okay, next steps. We are going to complete our database. So there's a few pockets of data that we still need to input into the database to make it worthwhile information. From there, we want to develop our linear regression model, and not just linear regression, but the other analysis techniques that we previously talked about. We also want to input the different variables that improve upon Petrowski's initial method. Once we actually can match his performance, we want to improve upon it. From there, we want to put our money where our mouth is and invest our first dollar. So, just to close this presentation, I want to show you guys what happens when I type in the letter P into my Google account. Only the letter P.